Not only is St Andrews the home of golf, with the famous courses on which I played as a child, not only has it the third oldest English-speaking university in the world, from which I failed to graduate in medicine. It's also on the shores of the North Sea, which was to be the focal point for much of my life during my formative years. So it's not surprising that any time I manage to revisit my hometown, you can be sure that I'll be heading to St Andrews Harbour at some point during my visit. After lunch we drove up to the Hui Pat Tavern to meet some of the survivors of this photograph of a rugby team which I had been part of 60 years previously. We were also to be joined by an old accordionist friend of ours, Billy Anderson.
Certainly, isn't that one? That's Ian Rogers. Yes, with Guinness. Yeah, I haven't.
He isn't running anymore. He was running up until fairly recently.
Yeah, Springfield has a
I
station.
guess been the last train.
You're surreptitiously filming as I see that.
Of course I am.
I mean, I forgot it's a place like Ladybug Station.
Yeah. There he is.
It was a very professional earthquake.
Megumi, this is for you.
So by the time we got the key thing sorted out, and then he established that it was the wrong key, and he went way back and got the right key and came back again, I'm like this, pawing the ground, saying, I'm late, I'm late, I'm late. He's just died. He's still with us.
Yes.
That's me. That's Douglas.
Oh, that's practically.
Drew died, got leukemia. Dougal
Yes,
Morton
yes.
died, he got dementia.
We got that.
Bill Wright got bowel cancer. This is all just to cheer you up. This is all just to cheer you up, you understand?
Bobby Roberts.
And that's Bob.
He's still with us. Is he? Yes, he's down in Wales.